Hey guys, it's Trip with IFT, and today we're going to talk about TikTok integrations. Right now, live on IFT, you can automate your TikTok. Let's check it out. All right, now we're live on our TikTok integrations page. All you have to do if you want to integrate TikTok is click this big connect button. It'll walk you through the entire process. And it's really easy to do this on your phone. So if you're using IFT Android app or iPhone app, you can easily do this. And let's scroll down. So when you post a new video on TikTok, automatically tweet about it. So a lot of businesses, influencers, creators use TikTok to grow their brand, but then they also might have an audience on Twitter. And right now they're manually posting those URL links, and maybe they're even queuing them up in Buffer or New Link. With it, you can easily do this automatically, post it to Twitter. And then a lot of people are using it to post to Slack or Discord. You can even upload drafts to your TikTok account if you upload them to Google Drive. So a lot of people don't like the mobile interface, especially businesses. They don't want to use CapCut. So they upload videos to Google Drive, and then that would automatically upload a draft to TikTok, and they go into TikTok and edit that draft before they publish it. It's a really good way to kind of automate and make the process of publishing content to TikTok a whole lot quicker. So there are two ways to automate TikTok with IFT. One is uploading your video somewhere else and then automatically uploading it to TikTok. So you have a draft ready, you can then go to TikTok and edit it and then publish it on the TikTok platform. And the other way is whenever you publish your TikTok video to TikTok, then distribute it other places. So that could be Discord, that could be Slack, that could be YouTube, that could be Twitter. Where do you want your TikTok video to go once you've uploaded it to TikTok? And then you can automatically do that with IFT. Well, that's it. Like and subscribe if you want to learn how to automate all your favorite services with IFT. Feel free to throw in the comments how you're using our TikTok integration. Again, this is Trip with IFT, where everything works better together. Bye, guys.